What's up, everyone? Dr. Jackson here. Hope you're all doing well, staying healthy, sheltering at home. I'm here today shooting this on my porch. It's Monday evening, sun is going down, and thought I'd just jump on real quick and talk to you a little bit. Wanted to jump on. I've been talking to a lot of colleagues, and something that's been coming up over and over again is just how every day is the same in some respects, but also how every day is wildly different, right? So here we are, all sheltering at home. I've got 4 kids. We're e-learning. We're parenting nonstop. We're trying to do as much as we can in that regard. I'm also dealing with all the dental stuff, the professional aspect of it all, how over the last 3 weeks, literally every single day brings on a whole brand new potential solutions, potential light at the end of the tunnel, but also then things keep changing and evolving. And so it's a very convoluted path. It's frustrating. And so in some ways it's Groundhog's Day, every single day. Another day, and on the other side of the coin, it's truly, truly different. And that wears on you. I wanted to tell you it's okay. I've been really trying to make sure to promote positivity with my social media posts. And I think that's very, very important these days. But I also want to talk about how it's okay if you're not super positive all the time. My colleagues and I, we've been talking, and like I mentioned, and something that's really come up a lot is how we're all kind of going through some form of the classic grief cycle. And, when that usually applies towards loss of a loved one or loss of something in that regard is usually where your brain goes to first. The 5 steps of the grief cycle are very, very apparent in most of the people's lives that I've spoken to, colleagues, employees, myself personally. If you're not familiar, I'll put it on the screen. Basically, there's denial, anger, bargaining, depression, and acceptance. And I know personally I've gone through every one of these over the last 3 weeks. And here we are 3 weeks into the shelter in place here in Illinois. I've been shut down, out of my office, haven't seen the office in any capacity really, outside of, just running in there, paying a few bills and then getting out of there. It's been 3 weeks. It's where I spend most of my life, and it's hard to not be there. I've gone through denial and the anger and the bargaining and the depression. But unfortunately, over the last couple of days, I've kind of come to the acceptance phase, and I hope that you do too. I'm not saying that you have to do this now. Everyone grieves in their own way. Everyone deals with wildly intense pressure. We're dealing with personal pressure, keeping our families healthy and whatnot. We're dealing with professional pressure, keeping our doors open. But hopefully you're able to get to that acceptance place quickly and enjoy yourself a little bit. Right now I'm going through, I'm part of the social media, but also there's a lot of extra social media out there. Tons of emails, tons of posts, tons of information just coming at you. And I digest all this routinely. But even for me, it's a lot. And so I urge you to put down your device once in a while. If you've got a family, spend some time with them. If you don't live with that family, jump on Zoom or something other like that and talk to them. It's a fun new thing to do. Keep yourself sharp. Don't feel like you have to start planning for your next degree or your the way you return to the office. How are you going to schedule this and that? I know in Illinois, the earliest we might get back, at least at today's date, is May 1st. And here on the 6th of April, that seems like forever from now. I personally, I'll tell you, I'm not ready to start planning my return, if you will. I'm going to, of course. Maybe a week from now, I'm guessing. But maybe 2, maybe tomorrow. I don't really know. I'm a planner, and I know I'm going to do it. But being a planner is one of those things that made this so frustrating because I'm trying to control an uncontrollable situation, And we dentists are very used to control. We control our operatories. We control our offices, our practices, and ultimately, I'm going to let you go. I appreciate your time. I appreciate your viewership. work through your 5 steps of the grieving process, get towards acceptance as soon as you feel right, but also as soon as you feel you're able to. I don't want you being stuck in one spot. Take your time moving through it, but always be moving forward towards acceptance. Thanks for watching so much. I appreciate it. Please, if you like the video, like the video, subscribe to the channel. As always, go ahead and put some comments and questions in the comment section below. I'll answer anything I can. And most importantly, stay safe, take care of yourselves and your family. We will get through this. We're going to make sure that we're back in the office as soon as we can and helping people the way we were prior to this whole COVID-19 fiasco. Thanks so much. Have a great rest of your day. Take care. Bye-bye.